Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am teacher Sahar from Multan Public School and College. I am your science teacher. Let's start our lesson. Next chapter is chapter number 2. Topic is fish and frog. Fish and frogs. Fish and frogs are living things. Fish and frogs are animals. Animals are living things. Living things such as fish and frogs need air, food, and water. Dear student, fish and frogs belong to the same group of animals. Which group of animals do they belong to? Both fish and frogs have backbones. They belong to a group of animals called vertebrates. Dear student, these are the skeleton of fish and frog. Both fish and frog have backbones. Our next topic is, where do fish and frogs live? Although fish and frogs are the same in many ways, they are different in some ways. They have different body parts and they live in different places. Where do fish live? Fish live in water. They can be found in fresh water or salt water. Fish which live in fresh water can be found in ponds, lakes, rivers, and streams. These are the pictures of freshwater fish: goldfish, pikes, carps, and tench. Dear student, fish which live in salt water can be found in seas and oceans. These are the pictures of saltwater fish: tunas, lionfish, butterfly fish, and sharks. Does your home or school have an aquarium or a pond? Are the fish in the aquarium or a pond freshwater fish or saltwater fish? Dear students, these are the pictures of a freshwater aquarium or saltwater aquarium. Our next topic is, where do frogs live? Frogs are amphibians. They live on land and in water. Tadpoles. Do you know, students, what are tadpoles? Tadpoles, which are the young of frogs, live in water. Dear student, this is the picture of tadpoles. Come on, next slide. Adult frogs live on land, but they lay eggs and seek protection from danger in water. That is why frogs are usually found near places with fresh water such as ponds, streams, swamps, and marshes. Dear student, marshes and swamps, that is an area of low-lying uncultivated ground where water collects. Its meaning in Urdu, daldal, and stream, its meaning in Urdu, nadi, and in English, a continuous flow of liquid. However, there are some kinds of frogs which live in dry places such as deserts, trees, and even caves. These are the pictures of a desert frog, a stream frog, and a tree frog. What you have learned in this lesson: fish and frogs are living things. They need air, food, and water. They can grow and reproduce. They can move by themselves and respond to changes around them. Fish and frogs are vertebrates, which are animals with backbones. Fish live in water and can be found in ponds, lakes, swamps, streams, rivers, seas, and oceans. Frogs are amphibians. They can live in water and on land. Frogs are usually found near fresh water in places such as ponds, marshes, streams, and swamps. Some frogs can be found in deserts and trees. That is our end of lesson. Thank you and goodbye.